Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will see 4 simple ways to cut and paste data in Excel. So let's get started. First, select the range you need to cut. Go to the Home tab. Find the scissors icon from the clipboard group and click on it. Then, select the range where you want to paste the data and click on the paste icon just beside the scissors icon. That's it. In the second method, we can do it a little bit differently. First, select the range as earlier, right-click on the selected region, and select the Cut option at the top of the context menu. Then, select the range to paste the data, right-click on the selected cell, and select the Paste option. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to do so. Select the range and press Ctrl+X on the keyboard. Now select the range where you want to paste the data and press Ctrl+V. Alternatively, you can use the drag and drop feature for that. Just select the range and put the cursor on the border of the selected range so that a 4-sided arrow appears. Now you can drag the range from there and paste it where you need. You can also create a macro to quickly cut and paste data in Excel. Let me know in the comments if you want to know how. And that's it for this tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.